Hi, this is Peony Prashanti from the Yamogi House. This year, I planted a vegetable garden. I started a vegetable garden on my deck only because I was so fed up with the squirrels, not the squirrels, the snails and the slugs. Well, and the squirrels now that they know that I have food here, they are up on the deck um, picking hazelnut hazelnuts. I'm never going to put hazelnuts in the soil again because they think there's a nut in there and it's just empty shells. So anyway, the snails and the slugs. So far, I've been lucky except for a couple of plants. But anyway, I've been scrounging around the house for any kind of container that I could find that would hold a plant. Would hold a plant. So I planted here arugula, my favorite. I could eat this every day, and I have some radishes over there coming up, and these snow peas are just having a good time. I have lettuce, and she's so green and purple. She's so full of vitamin B12. But look at this. It's going up the ladder. You know, I used to go up the ladder because I love going up on the roof. Oops. That is one of the things I used to love to do as a child, and I did it as an adult, but um it's for the beans now. The beans. I'm going to have a lot of beans. And then I have another container here of more arugula and some carrots. This is an experiment to see how delicious and how well the carrot turns out. This is a pretty deep pot. Okay. One day I came out here and all of these tops were eaten off, but luckily they grew back again. I think it was the squirrels who did that. And I don't know what happened to these guys. They kind of look funky. Here's another experiment. I made this box with my zero carpentry skills. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'll never do this again. So here, some more tops are gone. And these guys are supposed to crawl all over this homemade vine. I planted some bush beans here, but it looks like someone's enjoying the leaves. Maybe worms. I'll catch them. So, I also have over here more arugula and more carrots. These beans look, these are string beans. They look pretty good. They're kind of look pale. And I have some kale. Looks like some humans were overpicked the kale. I also planted okra. I love okra, that slimy stuff. It's so delicious. When you mix them with beans and tomatoes, and here's my tomato plant. I have one tomato plant, just one. I don't think I need a bunch. And my bell peppers. And this is a weed. And I just thought it was really pretty. It's going to get really long and hang. And I can hang it up. A hanging weed basket. So that's my deck garden, and every now and then I will catch those big blue birds, stellar jays going through picking on things. Look, there's something here, a critter. It's a gigantic ant. Maybe that gigantic ant is eating the leaves. Look at that. That's okay. I'll share. Anybody can do this in any space you have, and it's so therapeutic. Thanks for watching.